Hi there. In this video, I'm going to go over exercises to strengthen the back body. And these exercises are quite hard because throughout the entire set, you need to be able to hold the legs up behind you, which is the hardest part of these exercises. So 3 options. Number 1, keeping the knees bent throughout the entire exercise. Option number 2 is do less reps till you get stronger. And number 3, Balanced Body sells a box with a riser that can be put behind this chair. You may consider purchasing that as well. So hold your legs up and then use that till you get stronger. Number 2 issue with exercises face down, that the surface of the chair can be quite hard for some people with a larger ASIS or larger pubic bone. So for those, Balanced Body also sells a small mat that can be purchased to be put on the top of the chair to soften the surface of the chair for exercises done face down. And for this set, I'm going to split the paddles, so use it as a split paddle. And the springs, the lighter the springs on the cactus, the easier the exercise. The harder the springs on the cactus, the exercises are more challenging. So the first exercise is to face down on the chair and keep your back in line with the legs. And also, so don't let your head drop forward, and also don't necessarily hold it up like that. Try to keep your head in line with the spine. The palms are down, pushing the paddle down. Hover the paddle, so don't smash them into the bottom of the chair. Hover them, and then the goal of the exercise is to play with the elbows. The elbows will rotate towards each other and then rotate away from the chair. Maybe you can see better this way. So rotate towards each other and rotate away from the chair. And the hardest part, lift the legs up and then point the feet and then use the quads. So there's a co-contraction happening between the hamstrings and the quads. So head is straight, spine is straight, elbow crease face each other, and rotate away from the chair. 1, let's do 8, and 2, and 3, and 4. This is to strengthen the rotator cuff muscles. So what is happening here is the upper arm bone, the humerus, rotates in the shoulder socket. I think this is 6, and 7, and 8, and rest. The next exercise is scapular mobility to strengthen mostly the serratus, but also the entire shoulder muscles. The goal here is to push the paddles down. Again, the palms face down, palms are parallel. Hover the paddles, keep the arm bone, keep the elbows straight throughout the entire exercise. And what is going to happen is to keep the arms straight and open and close the shoulder blades together, just like an elevator door would open and close. And the back of the legs, again, point the feet, hamstrings engaged, quads are engaged. Hold the legs up. Don't let them just hang out there. So the exercise, spine is straight, head is straight. Close the elevator doors, lift the paddles up, and then push them down, hover it just like an inch or a centimeter off the base of the chair. And 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And rest. The next exercise, same principle, spine is straight, legs are held up, don't just let them hang out there. And arms are going to be straight, hover the paddles, and then the goal of the exercise is to keep the arms straight, but rotate the upper body to both sides. Let's do 8. Hold the legs up behind you, point the feet, legs are together, engage the hamstrings, engage the quads. I'm going to start on the right side. Keep the left paddle down. Both arms straight. Rotate the upper body. And then push the paddle back down. And then the other side. 2. Let's do 16. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 6 more. 1. 2. Keep the arms straight. And 3. And 4. And 5. And 16. Rest. The next exercise, hover the paddles. The spine will curl back. Hover the paddles off, arms stay straight throughout the exercise, legs are straight behind you, point the feet, contract the hamstrings, contract the quads, and let the paddle bring you up into thoracic extension. And then here, bring the shoulder blades down, like you're putting your shoulder blades into the back pocket, and bring your breastbone forward. So that puts the spine into more extension, more of a back bending and back curl. And then lower back down from here. And let's do 8. Curl up, shoulder blade squeezes down, bring the breastbone forward. 2. And 3. If you want to combine with the breath, it would be inhale as you curl up and exhale as you lower down. Inhale as you curl up and exhale as you lower down. And 6. And 7. And 8. Shoulder blade down, look out, breastbone forward, and lower down. And rest. Next, I'm actually going to put this back because it's easier. And I'm going to do these exercises with the knees bent because my legs are super tired. So this is tricep press and chest press. For tricep press, arms are straight, knees are bent, but same there too, engage the back of the legs. So engage the back of the hamstrings. And then palms are parallel. Bring the pedal up, bend the elbows, and then push the pedal back down for 8. Bend the elbows and then straighten them. Spine is straight. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And last one, have the palms face each other. Bend and straighten the elbows for chest press. 2, 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that's it. Oh, it's hard.